Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. So I know that you guys have been anticipating the video of me showing y'all the room that my roommates and I created and made from scratch. So today's the day that I'm going to show you the room. It is not finished as yet, but I want you guys to see the progress. And yeah, so I'm going to show you some before pictures and videos of how it was and how far it is coming from. So sit back, relax, continue liking, subscribing and supporting Dipped in Chocolate's movement. Thank you guys so much. I've seen the comments, I've seen the motivations, I've seen the gratitude, everything that you guys are putting in the comment section. I've seen it. I might not highlight it sometimes, but I see it and I'm so grateful. I just want to convey my sincere gratitude to you guys for supporting this Dipped in Chocolate movement. You guys can go and check me out on TikTok at CocoSkin1876. I'm going live on TikTok and all of that. So if you want to see me more, you guys can go on TikTok and interact with me. So yeah, let's go. So today I'll be rearranging this room. I'll be turning it into a bedroom. So yeah, let's see how it works. Let's see how long it takes and how best we can rearrange this room. So let me show you a full detail of how it looks. Alrighty guys, so this is the window. It has a window in it, but the edges needs some boarding. It also needs some paint, 2 doors, wall structure, good ventilation, a good lighting. Yeah, the lighting looks good, but you know, we are going to fix it up a little bit more. Yeah, everything looks good, but you know, it needs some work. So let's go recreate this room into So enough with the recapping. It's now time to show you guys the outcome of the room. So just continue liking and commenting. Who is it?
It's me.
Oh, it's my chocolate babies. Welcome guys.
The way I wake up, I gotta pray, yeah. There ain't no other way that I'd rather start my day, Cause without you, I'll start doubting myself. And I realize I just need your help, and all I want is to get better. I tried to do what I wanted, it only left me fed up. I used to think that it was my way or the highway. Now I know that it's not about me, it's all about Yahweh, Yahweh. to you with my hands up. To you now, hands up, yeah. All I'm asking is that you would come and put some living water in my cup. Yeah, 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 yeah. Saying, Holy Spirit, fill me up, cause I had enough. Holy Spirit, fill me up, up. Holy Spirit, fill me up, cause I had enough. Holy Spirit, fill me up. And my cup runneth over. Many times you tell me over and over that my pride was too high, it had to be lower. You've been teaching me about true faith, now I'm trying to get it lower. Yeah, yeah, but I really don't even trust myself. All I want is to get closer to you. And many times I have problems understanding your glory. But how can I have faith in you and at the same time worry? Yeah, Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now.
Yes, so you guys have now seen the outcome of our room. I am just very thankful to God for giving me the strength and the wisdom to execute this plan, and also for giving me wonderful family members and friends who helped me out in this process. And I'm so overwhelmed by the efforts and the progress of the room and everything. So you guys can just leave your comments and all of that. Yeah, I'm going to listen to some music.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch skimming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
All right, guys, so y'all have seen the place. I believe it has come such a far way from where it was. In here was actually a storage room. Like, it was just a storage room where they just put things that they're not going to use at the time. So we renovated it, we painted, we got new doors, we got a good window, we put curtains up. There is a like a blanket, then a curtain. Outside is really cold, and the ventilation system is not really working the way that we want it to work in this room. So we had to put a thick blanket first and then a curtain, but that will fix soon because the vents are fixing now. So yeah, you guys saw the coat holder, the racks, everything. I am really in love with the slide door. It is so cute and modern. The beds, guys, if I tell you what we made the beds from, you guys will maybe laugh. Maybe not laugh, but be amazed, because the beds were made from some 2x4s board, and I don't remember the other board's name, but it was made from just plain boards. I made the beds. I actually made the beds, me and my friend, but I was the one who constructed the beds, got them up and everything. So I'm really proud. You guys saw the little cliff looking part. That's our dressers. remember it's a small space, so we couldn't put enough furnitures in here that we are, typically used to. But let me tell you, it just comes such a far away. I'm not going to stay in here for too long, but for the time being, it is so beautiful. I'm so happy. I love the ceiling light. I have to show you guys it again. It is so pretty. Let me tell you, I love the ceiling light. It kind of gives off a type of chandelier, but it's not. But it gives off that type of feel. Also, we got some decor, which is the flower pot. It's not artificial flower pot, it's artificial flowers, but the flower pot is so beautiful. Also, we need to get into the carpet. This spiral carpet is so beautiful. It's giving home. The colors are just beautiful, gray, black, and white. Those combination gives home. I don't know why, but it definitely gives home. The design is beautiful. We are going to get some stuff for the walls, some paintings. We're going to change the sockets in the rooms. The sockets are working and everything, but we're going to change the sockets and the plugs. Also, we had a TV, but the size of the TV holder wasn't small enough. The TV was smaller than the holder, so we didn't get to put up the TV, but the TV is here. We don't use TV anyway, so yeah, everything is so pretty and nice. The color is like, it's soft. I don't remember which green this is, but this is a light green. It's soft. It's the color is going to change, but this is just the first coat. It's soft, and that is really nice. It is good that the color is so bright that when you wake up, you definitely know that, hey, it's morning, because it will be the sun. If the sun is, reflecting on it, you will definitely know it's time to wake up. But what else we have a vent. We have a vent in the room, a heater in the room, so that if we get cold, it can warm us up. We have spaces under the bed, enough space that I make sure that I made the beds that enough spaces were underneath to hold our luggages and our package and everything. So we have spacing underneath the bed. So if you guys are wondering, oh, where they put their stuff here, it's underneath the bed. In front of my bed there is my suitcase and my transport bag. Yeah, it's so pretty. Everything is just so nice. But yeah, I will be giving you guys a tour of the house when it's finished, like completely finished. But I'll be giving you like progress checkup. I'll be giving you guys progress checkup where you guys be seeing the journey and everything. But yeah, comment down below and tell me what you feel, what you think, all of that. So yeah, I'm proud of my work. I'm proud of also my roommate and also my friend who helped us out getting this place looking so nice. But guys, without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when your girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video. Thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you so much for your love in the comment section, for reposting, sharing, for talking about me with a friend so that the friend can tell a friend. I love you guys so much, and one love.